Hello everyone, welcome back in lecture series on topic solid state. Today in this lecture, we will study crystal defects or crystal imperfection and also type of crystal defects. So let us see what is meant by crystal defect. Now in introduction of this topic, we have compared the characteristic properties of crystalline solid and amorphous solids. So crystalline solids means those solids in which constituent particles, that means atoms, ions or molecules, these are arranged in a definite repeating pattern. And in this crystalline solid, this arrangement is extended to a large distance. That means crystalline solids have long range order like this. Here the arrangement of the particles is perfect and it is repeated again and again. So such a type of a perfectly ordered crystalline solid is there, and arrangement is fixed and it is repeated. But actually such a type of arrangement is not present in naturally occurring crystalline substance. रियल क्रिस्टलाइन सबस्टन्समध्ये अशा प्रकारची अरेंजमेंट आपल्याला बघायला मिळत नाही. So the real or naturally occurring crystalline substances do not have a perfect crystal structure, and this is due to disorder in stacking of atoms, ions or molecules or constituent particles. In crystalline solids, there are some disorder. They have some disorders in stacking of atoms, and any disorder in stacking of atom or irregularity, or you may call it as an imperfection in a perfectly ordered arrangement of atoms, ions or molecules in a crystal is called imperfection or defect. It is called as a crystal defect. So any irregularity or any disorder, dislocation of the atoms, ions or molecule in a perfectly ordered arrangement of constituent particles in crystal structure is called imperfection or crystal defect. It is called as a crystal defect or imperfection. And these defects, हे जे डिफेक्ट्स आहेत किंवा डिसऑर्डर आहेत, these are created or produced during the process of crystallization. क्रिस्टलायझेशनच्या प्रोसेसमध्ये अशा प्रकारचे डिफेक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस होतात, डिसलोकेशन्स फॉर्म होतात, ॲटम त्याच्या रेग्युलर साईटपासून दुसरीकडे जातो. सो डिफेक्ट्स आर क्रिएटेड ड्युरिंग द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिस्टलायझेशन. आणि हे कशामुळे होतं तर ड्यू टू दी rate of crystallization. If the rate of crystallization is fast, then imperfections are more, disorders are more. But if you give time to the crystallization process, if the crystallization process is carried out slowly, then imperfections are minimum. Imperfections किंवा डिसऑर्डर काय असतात, कमी असतात. जर तीच क्रिस्टलायझेशन प्रोसेस आपण हळूहळू होऊ दिली, त्याला टाईम दिला, तर ते पार्टिकल्स बरोबर आपापल्या परफेक्ट साईटला जाऊन थांबतात. पण हेच जर आपण फास्ट प्रोसेस कॅरी आउट केली तर काय होतात, त्याच्यामध्ये डिसऑर्डर्स किंवा डिसलोकेशन क्रिएट होतात. सो दिस डिफेक्ट्स आर डिपेंड्स अपॉन the rate of crystallization process, and also it depends upon the temperature. So if the rate of crystallization process is fast, imperfections or disorders are more, and if it is slow, imperfections are minimum किंवा disorder काय असणार, कमी असणार. And at ॲब्सोल्यूट झिरो टेम्परेचर, ओनली ॲट ॲब्सोल्यूट झिरो टेम्परेचर किंवा ॲट 0 केल्विन या टेम्परेचरला यू कॅन गेट अ आयडियल क्रिस्टल विथ नो एनी imperfections. That means you will get ideal crystal or perfect crystal only at absolute zero temperature or at 0 Kelvin. Above this temperature, या टेम्परेचरपेक्षा जास्त टेम्परेचर म्हणजेच किती, तर 0 केल्विनपेक्षा जास्त टेम्परेचर असेल तर यू विल नॉट गेट दी परफेक्ट क्रिस्टल. It has some disorder, and in any type of disorder or any type of defect, electrical neutrality of solid is always maintained. That means if ionic crystal is there, then ionic crystal contain cation and anion. Then the number of cation is balanced by number of anion. That means number of cation is equal to number of anion in case of ionic crystal, and thus the crystal is, that substance is neutral, that solid is neutral. There is no any charge, positive or negative charge on the crystalline solids. That means in any type of defect, कुठलाही असू दे defect तो, in any type of defect, electrical neutrality of solid is always maintained. That means they have no any charge, positive or negative, or the charge is balanced. That is called as a electrical neutrality. And sometimes what happens, these defects are intentionally created to manipulate the desired properties in a crystalline solid, or to modify or to improve certain properties of that crystalline solid. काही वेळा मुद्दाम म्हणून इंटेन्शनली हे डिफेक्ट्स क्रिएट केले जातात. कशासाठी, तर टू इम्प्रूव्ह और टू मॉडिफाय दी सर्टन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल घ्यायचं झालं तर स्टेनलेस स्टील, याच्यामध्ये आयर्नमध्ये कार्बन ॲड करतात, किंवा अलॉईज, निकेल क्रोमियम अलॉईज. त्यामुळे काय होतं, तर त्यांची मेलेबिलिटी, डक्टिलिटी ही काय होते, इम्प्रूव्ह होते. सो किंवा आयर्न हे रस्ट होतं, त्याचं रस्टिंग कमी करण्यासाठी त्याच्यामध्ये निकेल, क्रोमियम यासारखे सबस्टन्सेस ॲड केले जातात. So sometimes the defects are intentionally created to improve the quality of that crystalline solid, or to modify the certain properties of the crystalline solid. And there are 3 types of defect. First, that is point defect. Point defects involves single atom or sometimes group of atoms. Disorder produced in dislocation of the atom or group of atom. That is called as a point defect. Lattice point मध्ये dislocation असणं. So point defect, this arises due to irregularity, that means disorder in arrangement of bases. Basis म्हणजे काय, the atom or group of atom which is associated with the lattice point in a crystal lattice. Crystal lattice मध्ये atoms जी position आहे, that is nothing but lattice point, and that lattice points are associated with atoms or group of atoms. So point defects, this arises due to irregularity in arrangement of bases. That means atoms, ions or molecules associated with that lattice point. At the lattice point, that is called as a point defect. Second type of defect, that is line defect. हे जे line defects असतात, they are arises due to irregularities in the entire row of lattice points. संपूर्ण त्या lattice pointचे जे rows असतात त्याच्यामध्ये डिसऑर्डर असते. So line defects arises due to irregularities or disorders in entire row of lattice points. संपूर्ण त्या लाईनमध्ये डिफेक्ट्स असतात. देन थर्ड दॅट इज प्लेन डिफेक्ट किंवा यांना प्लेनार डिफेक्ट्स असंही म्हणतात. प्लेन डिफेक्ट्स दिस अरायझेस ड्यू टू irregularities in a plane of lattice point. That means a layer of lattice point. एक सिंगल लेअरमध्ये डिफेक्ट्स मिळतात किंवा डिसऑर्डर्स असतात किंवा इरेग्युलॅरिटीज असतात. असे जे डिफेक्ट्स असतात त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? प्लेनार डिफेक्ट और प्लेन डिफेक्ट. सो देर आर 3 major types of defects, which are these: point defects, which arises due to irregularity in arrangement of bases at the lattice point. Line defects, this arises due to irregularities in the row of lattice point. And third one, that is plane defects, that arises due to irregularities in layer of lattice points. In this year, we have to study in detail point defects. So point defects means these are produced due to irregularities produced in the arrangement of bases at lattice point in a crystalline solid. And these defects are of 3 types. Point defects से पुन्हा 3 प्रकार आहेत. First, that is stoichiometric point defects. Second one, that is non-stoichiometric point defects. And third one, that is impurity defect. So point defects are again of 3 types: stoichiometric point defect, non-stoichiometric point defect, and impurity defect. So we will see first stoichiometric point defect. Now stoichiometry means what? In a chemical compound, you know that there is a fixed ratio of number of atoms or number of cations and anions. For example, आपण घ्यायचं झालं तर सोडियम क्लोराइड घेतो. तर in case of sodium chloride, sodium ion and chloride ion is there, and there is a fixed ratio between sodium and chlorine, and that is what? 1 atom of sodium combines with 1 atom of chloride ion, and therefore the ratio between these two is 1:1. Like that, sodium carbonate, 2 sodium atom and 1 carbonate ion. So ratio is 2:1. So the defects in which the ratio between the cations and anions remains same as represented by its chemical formula, such defects are called as a stoichiometric defect. So stoichiometry means a chemical formula of a compound which shows fixed ratio of number of atoms or number of cations and anions, and this fixed ratio is the stoichiometry of that compound. And in stoichiometric defects, the stoichiometry of the compound remain unchanged. stoichiometry जी आहे, रेशो जो आहे कॅटायन आणि ॲनायन मधला किंवा नंबर ऑफ ॲटम्स मधला, तो त्या केमिकल कंपाऊंड मधला जो रेशो आहे तो चेंज होत नाही. सो इन स्टायचियोमेट्रिक पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स द रेशो बिटवीन कॅटायन अँड ॲनायन रिमेन्स सेम as represented by its chemical formula. So it is unchanged. And stoichiometric effects are those that do not disturb the stoichiometry of the compound. ज्या डिफेक्ट्स मध्ये कंपाउंड मधील हा जो फिक्स्ड रेशो असतो नंबर ऑफ ॲटम मधला, दॅट इज नॉट चेंज, असे जे असतात त्यांना काय म्हणायचं? स्टायचियोमेट्रिक डिफेक्ट्स. So there are again 4 types of stoichiometric defect. Stoichiometric defects चे पुन्हा 4 प्रकार आहेत. First, that is vacancy defect. Second one, that is self interstitial defect. Third, that is Schottky defect. Fourth, that is Frankel defect. So there are 4 types of stoichiometric point defects. कोणते 4 आहेत पॉइंट डिफेक्ट्स? स्टायचियोमेट्रिक पॉइंट डिफेक्ट, तर vacancy defect, self interstitial defect, Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. In this lecture we will study first two stoichiometric point defect, that is vacancy defect and self interstitial defect. And next lecture we will study the remaining two, that is Schottky's defect and Frenkel defect. So let us see first what is meant by vacancy defect. Vacancy defect means when particle is missing. This arises when particle is missing from its regular site in a crystal lattice, and therefore it creates a vacant lattice site. रिकामी जागा ते काय करतात, क्रिएट करतात, एम्प्टी स्पेस निर्माण करतात लॅटाइस साइट, and this creates a vacancy defect. See here in this diagram, this is the arrangement of atoms in this crystalline solid, and in every row there are 5 atoms, 1 2 3 and 5, 4 and 5. तसंच याही लाईनमध्ये 5 पार्टिकल असली पाहिजेत, याही लाईनमध्ये असली पाहिजेत, याही लाईनमध्ये असली पाहिजेत, तर तो परफेक्ट क्रिस्टल झाला. पण इथे काय दिसतंय आपल्याला, तर या वरच्या लाईनमध्ये 5 पार्टिकल्स दिसत आहेत, खालच्याही लाईनमध्ये 5 पार्टिकल दिसले आहेत, पण या 2 रोजमध्ये आपल्याला पार्टिकल्स 4 दिसत आहेत दोन्ही रोजमध्ये. म्हणजे इथे वेकन्सी क्रिएट झालेली, पार्टिकल इज मिसिंग इन दिस रो ॲज वेल ॲज इन दिस रो. या 2 रोमध्ये पार्टिकल मिसिंग दिसत आहेत, वेकंट स्पेस दिसत आहेत. ही लॅटाइस पॉईंट आहे, ही लॅटाइसची पोझिशन आहे, पण इथे पार्टिकल नाही. ही सुद्धा लॅटाइसची पोझिशन आहे, पण इथे पार्टिकल नाही. सो सच अ defects are called as a vacancy defect. When particle is missing from its regular site, particle is missing from its regular site in a crystal lattice, then it creates a vacant lattice site, and this creates what? A vacancy defect, or such a defects are called as a vacancy defect. And in this vacancy defect or these types of defects are created by during what? Heating the substance, or due to heating the substance. These defects may be created by heating the substance. And in vacancy defect, see here, जर ही पार्टिकल्सच नसतील तिथे, तर या क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिडचं मास काय होणार? कमी होणार, पण व्हॉल्यूम मात्र आहे तोच राहणार आहे. So the mass of solid in vacancy defect, mass of crystalline solid decreases because some points, lattice points are missing here, while the volume of the solid remain unchanged. And you know that density is equal to mass of a substance divided by volume, and that means what? Density is directly proportional to mass and inversely proportional to volume. So if the mass of solid decreases, then density of solid also decreases. त्यामुळे या डिफेक्टमध्ये, वेकन्सी डिफेक्टमध्ये डेन्सिटी ऑफ सॉलिड डिक्रीजेस. महत्त्वाचा पॉईंट आहे, याच्यावर MCQ येऊ शकतात. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिफेक्ट डेन्सिटी ऑफ सॉलिड decreases, crystalline solid decreases. So in vacancy defect, the density of solid decreases. Another type of stoichiometric point defect, that is second type of stoichiometric point defect, is self-interstitial defect in elemental solid. Second type is what? Self-interstitial defect in elemental solid. The interstitial म्हणजे काय? The space or void in between the particles at lattice points in crystal are called interstitial site, किंवा त्याला empty space असं म्हणतात. हा बघा इथे परफेक्ट क्रिस्टल आहे. Arrangement is, there is a regular arrangement of atoms, ions or molecules in this crystal, and therefore it is called as a perfect crystal. And in this crystal here, these are the empty spaces between the particles. These are the particles, and in between these particles some empty space is there that are called as a voids. आपण अभ्यासलेले आहेत. It is called as a voids, and these empty void spaces or voids are called as the interstitial sites. Now when some particles occupy this interstitial site in a crystal structure, then it is called as a self-interstitial defect, like this. Now see here, like this is also the perfect crystal, but in this crystal some disorder is there. That is, here this is the interstitial space, and this interstitial space is occupied by the atom, and when some particle occupy this interstitial site in a crystal structure, then it is called as what? Self-interstitial defect. Now self-interstitial defects occurs by two ways. दोन प्रकारे ते create होऊ शकतात. So one way we will see, first way, that is an extra particle when occupies the empty interstitial site, then this extra particle is same as those of the already present in the crystal lattice. That is also called as a self-interstitial defect. एक प्रकार काय, तर an extra particle occupies the empty interstitial site. आता इथे बघा, ही परफेक्ट क्रिस्टलमध्ये 4 particles आहेत. 1, 2, 3, 4. In every row there are 4 particles, and one extra particle is there in the interstitial site, and this extra particle is same as that of the particle which is already present in this crystal. त्याच्यासारखंच दुसरं पार्टिकल इथे आहे. इंटरस्टेशियल साइटला जे पार्टिकल आहे ते या ऑलरेडी जे प्रेझेंट आहेत पार्टिकल त्यासारखंच तेवढ्याच साईजचं आहे. सो द एक्स्ट्रा पार्टिकल ऑक्युपाइज an empty interstitial site, and this extra particle is same as those of the already present in the lattice point. And due to this, what happens? हे एक्स्ट्रा पार्टिकल असल्यामुळे इथे मास क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिडचं वाढणार. ड्यू टू द एक्स्ट्रा पार्टिकल at this interstitial site, what happens? The mass of the crystalline solid increases, and due to this density also increases, because density is directly proportional to mass, and therefore as there is an increase in the mass due to extra particle, its density increases. So in self-interstitial defect, when extra particle occupies interstitial site, then the density of the crystalline solid increases. Remember this, very important point. Then the second way of the self-interstitial defect. Now see here in this picture, 4 atoms are present in every row, but here in the second row only 3 are there, 1 is missing. And here in between this third and fourth row, at this interstitial point or site, interstitial atom is there. So when particle gets shifted from its original site or original lattice point, and it occupies the interstitial site in the crystal, then self-interstitial defects are produced. And in this case, the particle is displaced to the interstitial site, and due to this vacancy is created at the original site. या पार्टिकलची ओरिजिनल साइट कुठे होती, तर या सेकंड रो मध्ये इथे होती. हा लॅटाइस पॉइंट आहे, पण पार्टिकल काय झालेलं आहे, शिफ्ट झालं, डिस्लोकेट झालं, आणि ते कुठे आलं आहे, या इंटरस्टेशियल साइटला आलेलं आहे. पार्टिकल इज शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिनल लॅटाइस पॉइंट and it occupies the interstitial site in the crystal lattice. So in this case what happens? Due to this shifting of this particle, vacancy is created at the original site, and therefore this type of self-interstitial defect is a combination of vacancy defect and self-interstitial defect. इंटरस्टेशियल पोझिशनला पार्टिकल येत आहे म्हणून तो इंटरस्टेशियल डिफेक्ट तर झालाच, पण त्यामुळे काय झालेलं आहे तर वेकन्सी क्रिएट झालेली आहे, म्हणून इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ वेकन्सी डिफेक्ट अँड सेल्फ इंटरस्टेशियल डिफेक्ट. And in this defect what happens, there is no loss or gain of mass. Mass remains same, volume is unchanged and mass remain same, only the shifting of the atom takes place to the interstitial site from regular site, and therefore there is no loss or gain of mass, and therefore the density of the substance in such a type of a crystalline solid, it remains same. So in such a type of a self-interstitial defect, the density remain same. So point defects are of three types: stoichiometric, non-stoichiometric and impurity defect. And stoichiometric defects are again of four types, which are these: vacancy defect, then self-interstitial defect, Schottky defect and Frenkel defect. Out of these two we have studied, and in next lecture we will study the Frenkel defect and Schottky defect. And non-stoichiometric defects are again of two types: metal deficiency and metal excess. And impurity defect are again of two types: interstitial defect and substitutional defects. So thank you.